Conscious effort ba to stop him?
Wala naman. She played a good first half. Na-fall trouble siya. Na-fouled out siya because of the aggressiveness nga sa Sebastian. We were trying to play honestly, but calls were made. But still, sabi ko nga, we have to adjust to the officiating. Bago rin kasi yung officiating, it's something we have to get used to also. Hindi ko alam kung malipis o makapal, naging iba-iba eh. So, adjust na lang kami. Hindi naman ang gusto lang namin maging consistent kung makapal, kung malipis. Kasi nung dulo, si Pai, pag binabangga, nakataas sa kamay, foul. Kami binabangga, walang foul o vice versa. Diba? So sana consistency lang. Yun lang naman. So medyo na-fault out siya. Nahirapan din siguro siya mag-adjust sa mga calls.
Coach, si Nigel ba't wala?
Meron lang siyang, okay na siya. Nag-spasm lang yung back niya from last game. So better na siya, hindi lang namin pinilit.
Coach, sa hall niya at Richie merong yung stretch ng fourth quarter. Masasabi po ba natin na unti-unti nakikita na natin na sila na yung mag-lead nitong team moving forward?
It's nice that they were able to make yung shots na yan. But in terms of leadership, of course, I expect everyone to lead. Especially yung mga veterans. Brian is one of them. Wala naman na ikaw dapat yan, siya dapat yan. It's ang leadership comes by the whole group kailangan na be able to lead.